Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology. YouTube channel, topic of defense technology news is U.S. Army considers autonomous CAML-H launcher as potential replacement for Typhon missile system. On the 22nd of August, the head of the U.S. Army's Rapid Capabilities and Critical Technologies Office, Lieutenant General Robert Rash, said the new autonomous CAML-H launcher could replace the Typhon system launcher. Typhon was developed as an interim solution for mid-range capability, MRC batteries, each consisting of a command post and 4 Mk-70 Mod 1 launchers with Oshkosh HEMTT tractors. The MRC mid-range capability batteries are designed to fill the gap between PRSM precision strike missiles for M270 MLRS multiple launch rocket system and M142 HIMARS, currently with a range of up to 499 kilometers, but plan to extend to 650 to 700 kilometers or possibly 1,000 kilometers. Their armament includes BGM-109 Tomahawk cruise missiles and SM-6 multipurpose missiles. Extensive testing, including deployment abroad to locations such as the Philippines and Australia, highlighted the Typhon launcher's large size, which complicates strategic transport. With the risk of conflict in the Pacific, the ability to move weaponry quickly is seen as essential for the U.S. and any supporting coalition partners. Although considered an effective solution developed rapidly, Typhon is now under review for potential miniaturization of its Tomahawk and SM-6 launchers. Analysts are also weighing alternatives, including the design of an entirely new launcher or adapting requirements in the Common Autonomous Multi-Domain Launcher (CAML) program. The heavy CAML-H version on an M1075 PLS chassis is intended to carry Tomahawk launchers, already providing half of Typhon's capabilities. It could also serve as a carrier for the MIM-104 Patriot system if the option to launch SM-6 missiles were added, though this presents technical challenges. In parallel, the U.S. Army is interested in a smaller unmanned launcher dedicated solely to Tomahawks. One example is the Long-Range Fires launcher for the U.S. Marine Corps, equipped with a single transport launch container on a modified JLTV tactical vehicle chassis. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.